ship.
You might want to clean the playroom up a little bit before you start so you have more space.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe do you want to do that?
Let's just build a tower.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay.
You're gonna build a rocket ship? You wanna build it up? Here, you build it up. Put it on there. You build it on top?
I want to build a rocket ship.
Alright, put that block up on there. Here you go. You wanna help?
Okay.
Okay. You put that. Oh, you're gonna build a rocket ship, huh? You gonna put it up there? Oh, good job. Good job. Oh, good job. Good job. Can you put it up there? Oh, good job. Whoa, look at that. Hi, kitty cat. How are you? Wow. Wow. Whoa. Hey, want to do dominoes? Let's do dominoes. Okay, be patient. Okay, be patient while we make the dominoes. Don't knock them down yet. Oh, that's a good spot, Charlotte. Okay. No. Gotta be patient, Grace. Gotta be patient. Don't knock them down yet. Gotta be patient. Gotta be patient. Don't knock them down yet. Don't knock them down. Okay. That one comes down here, Charlotte. Yeah, put that on the end. Okay, oh, that one goes down here, Grace. Put it on the end. There you go. Put it right there on the end. See? Oh, yeah. Good job. Okay, now. Put it right there. Okay, you ready to knock it down? Knock it on the end. Whoa! Yeah. Whoops.